Hi guys, Alicia here, your close to my heart independent consultant, and I'm here today with the last layout from the Workshops Your Way documented kit. So there's 3 2-page layouts, and this is the last one. I sort all of my kits into different baggies when I do the prep, and I will link the prep video down below for you guys. And I just like to lay out my 2 different pages, separate all the little pieces, and then I just work on one page at a time. It's a little bit easier to manage that way. I love this kit. It has such beautiful colors, and I think it's great. You know, you can use it for summer, and it's also great going into fall. They're very good fall colors, but not so fall-y. Is that a word? Not so fall-like that you can't use it for summer pictures as well. I'm just laying it on my pieces. I'm using my Tombow adhesive to glue everything down. Now we're going to do a banner cut. So you just cut a little slit down the middle and then cut up from each corner to give yourself a nice little banner cut or fishtail, whatever you want to call it. Now, as you can see here, that white piece is a little bit too long, but that is totally okay. Easy fix. I didn't want it to cover up the flag part of that decorative piece, so you're just gonna trim some off, and it's easy fix. My tip for you is whenever you need to trim something is to flip the paper over and do it from the back side. It's a lot easier. Now it's time to punch out some embellishments. These were a little bit of a pain to punch out, but they're really pretty and they're worth it. They're worth the struggle. Sorry you guys have to watch me struggle. I do cut away here, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. And now by movie magic, my embellishment is free, and just finishing it up. And I will glue that down. Don't forget to save the little dot for the top of the eye, or if you lose it or you don't want to use it, you can also use a little enamel dot to dot the eye, or you can get creative, a little flower. Different options there. I went the boring way and used the regular dot for the eye. I'm getting out the stickers. These are much easier to remove from the paper than the chipboard pieces are. Isn't that cute? I like the different textures in this. You have the cardboard type material of the chipboard, and then the colorful stickers, and then the wooden embellishment right there with it says love. They all work together so nicely. And some enamel dots. First page is done. Now onto the second page of this layout. So I'm going to line them up side by side so that they align when I put them in my scrapbook. Because even though I use the grid mat for measuring, I'm always off somehow. And even sometimes when I line them up side by side, I'm still off. I'm just not a perfect scrapper. My motto I'm embracing as I get older is done is better than perfect. I'm letting go and accepting the flaws. So there's another banner. One thing I'm also working on is cleaning as I go. You can tell it's starting to get a little messy. I'm starting to have to dig for stuff. I'm really working on putting things away right after I use them so I know where to find them. How about you guys? Are you guys messy scrappers, or do you keep your desk super clean? If anybody has any tips for me, I'd really appreciate it, because I struggle. I think a lot of creative minds do. We're just all over the place. I'm too excited to clean up. I can't be bothered, but I am trying very hard. Now we're going to put on our last little wooden word sticker, and my tip for you is to save that plastic backing. If you ever make shaker cards or little shaker embellishments, that plastic is perfect for like the window sheet, so you can recycle, save some money, all that kind of stuff. So definitely save it. And I will have some videos coming out on shaker cards in the next month. That is something close to my heart is coming out with, and I'm super excited. Now I'm just finishing up all my little embellishments, and then this layout is done. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you have any tips or tricks or ideas for me. I'd love to read them. See, you guys, I'm really trying to clean up as I go. I do try. And here is the completed project. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.